Hey there, learners! Get ready to supercharge your learning in 2024. In this video, we're unlocking 10 mind-blowing ChatGPT techniques to help you master any skill faster, from coding to languages. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us on this adventure of knowledge. ChatGPT, the AI wizard that can make studying a walk in the park. Imagine cutting your learning time in half. Well, you're about to discover how. Let's jump in. Technique 1. AI-powered mind maps. First up, ditch the messy notebooks. ChatGPT crafts your ideal mind map. Just throw in your topic and let it spiderweb your knowledge. Learning has never been this visually stunning. Technique 2. Personalized learning roadmaps. No more study schedule headaches. ChatGPT builds your personalized learning map. Tell it your goal, your subjects, and watch it weave your daily, weekly, or monthly plan. Your AI study buddy always on the go. Technique 3. AI-generated essays. Need to write an essay? ChatGPT becomes your essay maestro. Provide a topic, and let it weave a persuasive masterpiece for you, complete with research. Your writing assistant, powered by AI. Technique 4. Seamless translations. Don't let language barriers hold you back. ChatGPT translates any text into English and polishes your writing. Perfect for language learners and anyone who wants to communicate clearly across borders. Technique 5. Quick summaries. Need a rapid review? ChatGPT can summarize any text. Ask for key points, and within seconds, you'll have a concise summary ready to boost your understanding. Technique 6. Flashcards. Flashcards made easy. ChatGPT builds your personalized flashcard set in seconds. Answer questions, track your progress, and watch your knowledge blossom. Technique 7. Code review with ChatGPT. Calling all coders. ChatGPT can review your code. Post a line, ask questions, and let ChatGPT guide you through coding challenges. Learning by doing, right? Technique 8. Interview mastery. Prepare for your upcoming interview using ChatGPT. Provide details about the job position or industry, and let ChatGPT generate potential interview questions. Practice your responses to feel confident and well-prepared. Technique 9. Exam-style questions. Boost your test prep with AI-powered practice. Forget spending hours creating questions. ChatGPT generates exam-style questions in seconds, making active recall a breeze. Technique 10. AI-guided project development. Take your skills to the next level by working on real projects. ChatGPT can guide you through project development, from ideation to execution. Discuss your project goals, get insights, and let ChatGPT assist you in turning your ideas into reality. So there you have it. 10 game-changing techniques to learn anything faster with ChatGPT in 2024. Grab your cheat sheet and start unlocking your full potential today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech-powered learning tips, and hit that notification bell. Thank you for joining us on this journey of accelerated learning. Comment below with your favorite technique, and let's continue this conversation. Keep learning, keep growing, and stay tuned for more amazing ways to tech up your 2024.